Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion for your daily planning. And this is super easy to do. You can either build a Notion dashboard from scratch, or you can use some of the pre-built amazing templates that are already within Notion to get you set up very fast within just a few click of a buttons. And that's what we're going to do. So what you want to do, guys, once you're inside your Notion account, on the upper left hand side you'll have this new page, create a new page button. Click on that. It's going to take you into a new page, and you don't even have to name it. You just need to look towards the bottom and you will find some buttons here. One of them is templates. Click on templates. It's going to take you over to this discovery, let's say this marketplace for Notion, where you can find things like daily planning. So what I want to recommend to you guys, you can just go ahead and use a search, and you can type in daily planning, for example, or daily planning or daily plan, and hit enter and search. And that's going to find templates that you can quickly use. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. And I'm telling you, they have some really good free ones as well that you can actually use. So as you can see here, this is a daily, weekly, monthly planner. This is another one here. Some of them have some really nice title headings, so you can go ahead and find something. And they have some really nice one, as I mentioned. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose something here that is actually super cool. Let's work with one of those 5-star ones. Let's take for example this second one here. It's free, so it's a daily planner. I'm going to click on that, and once you click on it, you can actually preview what is there. You can actually add it, or you can preview it first. It's really up to you. This one has 77 downloads, and yeah, you can just go ahead and click and add. Once you click and add, you will see that the template is being added, and it will show up in a seconds that say that you can see the templates. You can also see it on the upper left as well. So if you click on daily planner on the upper left under the private section, you can find it as well. So whichever you want to choose to click from there, you will be able to see it. And there you have it, guys. This is how it looks. I know it looks kind of girly, but you can change it as well. If you hover over the banner here, you see it says change cover. You can go ahead and you can do that. If you click on that, you can change whatever you want, right? Image, whatever. So let's choose, for example, let me see if I find something that I would use in general. I'm going to just choose something random. Let's choose that as an example. You can see that you have other things here. So whatever you came across here, you are able to actually change it and just make whatever changes you want to it, right? So you can change stuff. So this is what it looks like. You can change everything. It's just a template, so you can make it your own and just you basically make it the way you want it. But this is a daily planner, right? So you can go ahead and you can change and add new agendas. You can change it, and I think it's super cool, super simple. And of course, this is just one of the templates. You have a lot, so you can go ahead and just check out the marketplace, find templates that you would want to use. As I mentioned, you have to create a new page, so you need to create a new page, and then head over to the marketplace and just type in planner, daily planner, and you will be able to actually find really cool ones that you can actually use. You can import even more than one. You can use more than one template. So this is just one that I showed you. Let's go ahead and add this one as well. And you can even compare both and see what it looks like. You can copy from one template to the next. So it's really easy to actually like combine and make extend, or to take multiple templates and literally make it your own. If you find something that you like from one template, you can literally take that section and add it into your second template or your own custom template. And that's it, guys.